Hi guys, we will now going to solve equations which are written in this form where there is a common number outside the parentheses and certain things inside the parentheses. So how do you go about solving and simplifying these kind of equations? So here in this case we have a number outside 2 and a number inside 2, and whenever you have a case like this, what you do is the ground rule is you multiply the number by the number. You multiply the number by the number. So what is 2 times 2? 4. So it's 4x. You just bring x as it is. That's it. That's the answer. You're done. Come down here. You have a number outside, and each of the term has a number inside. Now here's another common problem. A pitfall. Students fall in all the time. I tell them that this is where these two guys will multiply, and they're like, okay, good enough, I'll do that. 2 times 2, 4x. But then this is where they make a mistake. They forget to multiply the 2 again with 3. They think they're done with 2. So that's why I asked them, why don't you make arrows as a reminder, maybe of different colors? So here we go. So 2 gets to be multiplied with 3 now. 2 times 3, 6. Y. So the number outside gets to be multiplying with each of the entities inside, and that's basically what gives you your answer. Okay? Now let's have a look at the second one here, the third one rather, where you have a 2 outside and you have a 2x plus 3y inside. But instead of a 2, I have a negative 2. Now same rules will apply that I told you in the last tutorial. If the signs are same, it's always a plus. If signs are opposite, it's always a minus. Okay? Now, when you don't have a sign, it's plus. Why don't you write it down? Just so that it's easy for you. We don't really write it down, but just so that it's easy for you. Okay. Rule. You multiply sign with signs. You multiply signs with signs. And you multiply numbers with numbers. Okay? So sign with the sign. What is negative times positive? They're opposite signs. Remember? Negative. Because they're opposite. Opposite signs give you negative. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4x. Again, you got to do the sign multiplication again. Negative times positive. Opposite signs. Negative. 2 times 3, 6. Y. That's it. Done. Now I'll do the same problem slightly differently. So I'm going to do the same problem, which is 2 with a negative multiplying with 2x minus 3y. Instead of a plus 3y, I'm doing a minus 3y. Now, okay, so now we're assuming that there's a plus here, okay? So negative times positive, opposite signs, it's a negative. 2 times 2, 4, correct? Okay. X comes down as it is. So that part is done. Okay, now, negative times negative, same signs. What's the rule? When signs are same, the resulting sign is a plus. Plus, okay? Negative times negative is a positive. 2 times 3 is a 6y. So that's basically what your answer is. So you do sign multiplications separate from number multiplications, and the letters come back as it is, no problem. Okay? So that's how you're going to solve these problems. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.